all gone. Can you jump? You jump up?
Trampoline.
Trampoline. Whoa.
Trampoline. Trampoline. Go trampoline. Bye.
Bye. Can you go spin around?
Spin around, spin around. But
Did you see the lizard run across the top of it?
Off this?
It's right there.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
See Rocco underneath it looking for it?
You're singing a song while you spin around?
Oh my God. I swear.
Now my baby.
Careful.
Yeah.
It's right there, Rocco.
The lizard, see? See the lizard? Look. See, right there. Come here, look.
Look at the lizard. Rocco's trying to eat it.
See? See the lizard?
Look. Whoop! Squat. Never mind, it jumped on Mommy. That was exciting, huh? Can you jump?
Rocco, it's over there. Over there.
What did you do?
You jump? You jump.
No, Mom.
Over here, Rocco. Here. Rocco.
No.
Okay, careful, please.
No.
Give me one big jump.
Lizard.
Yeah!